Hi everybody. I am going to discuss conversion of one flip-flop to another flip-flop. This is the last video of the flip-flop chapter, sequential circuit. So let us consider the PDF. Yes, this is the conversion of one flip-flop to another flip-flop. Let there be required flip-flop to be constructed using sub flip-flop. Draw the first. These are the four steps. First of all, we have to draw the truth table of the required flip-flop. Number two, write the corresponding output of the sub flip-flop to be used from the excitation table. Number three, draw the K map using the required flip-flop inputs and obtain the excitation table of the sub flip-flop input. And the number four is construct the logic diagram according to the function obtained of the K map. There are four steps. First, we have to draw the truth table of the required flip-flop, then the corresponding output of the sub flip-flop to be used from the excitation table, draw the K map, and finally you have to draw the logic diagram. Let us consider the example. This is the conversion of JK2 Acer from the JK2 Acer. The JK is the old flip-flop, Acer is the new flip-flop to be designed. First of all, you have to create the table, conversion table. This is the conversion table. Present state given, and then S and R. These are the three inputs, main input. The next step will be find out, that is from the present state, and JK is the old input, that is JK. তো যখনই আমরা ডিজাইন করব তখন জেকেটা যেটা ওল্ড সেটা রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে থাকবে, লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে মাঝখানে প্রেজেন্ট স্টেটের নেক্সট স্টেটের মাঝখানে ইনসার্ট। যখনই আমাকে একটা ফ্লিপফ্লপ দিয়ে একটা ফ্লিপফ্লপ বানাতে হবে, যেটা ওল্ড ফ্লিপফ্লপ সেটা সবসময় রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে, নিউটা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে, আর প্রেজেন্ট স্টেট নেক্সট স্টেটের মাঝখানে থাকবে নিউটা। তো এটা আমরা কিভাবে বানাবো, দেয়ার আর 8 কম্বিনেশন 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 and finally 1 1 1. So first of all, we have to find the truth table of Acer. We know that from the truth table of Acer, 0 0 is no change. Mean present state is copy to next state. 0 is copy to. For 0 1 it is reset. That's why it is 0. For 1 0 it is set. That's why it is 1. For 1 1 that is invalid. Cross. Don't care. For 0 0 again that is no change. 1 is transferred to next state. No change mean the present state is copy to next state. 0 1 for reset 0 and 1 0 for set, and 1 1 again, that is the invalid condition, cross. So this is the truth table of Acer. So from the truth table of Acer we have to find out the next state. Now the excitation input of JK. To create the excitation input of JK, we have to find out two column, that is present state and next state only. Present state and next state টাকে খুঁজলেই আমরা JK টা পেয়ে যাব excitation table. আমরা JK এর excitation table জানি, for 0 0 we know that from the excitation table of JK, 0 0 it is 0 cross. For 0 0 again 0 cross. For 0 1 it is 1 cross. For 0 cross it is cross cut. If one of them present state next state is cross, then output will be the always cross cross. For 1 1 it is cross 0. For 1 0 it is cross 1. For 1 1 it is cross 0 again 1 cross. That's one of them is input is next state is cross. Then the excitation input also cross cross. So this is the conversion table. Now the K map, and finally the logic diagram. The K map is constructed from these three input QN and Acer, and the K equal to S and K equal to S. So this is the concept through which we can design the conversion process. Finally, we have to draw the logic diagram. Next one is conversion of second. This is the second example. We can design any flip-flop to any flip-flop. This one is from D to SR. From D to SR. So D is the old flip-flop and SR is the new one. Same way, SR, QN, SR is the combination 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and finally 1 1 1. We know the XR, the truth table of XR is 0 0 remain unchanged. 0 is copied. For 0 1 it is reset. For 1 0 it is set. For 1 1 it is invalid. For 0 0 again, for 0 0 that is no change. 1 is copied. For 0 1 it is reset. For 1 0 it is set, and for 1 1 it is again invalid. For D column we have to copy the Q1 plus 1. That is we have to find out the D column from the Qn plus 1. So Qn plus 1 1 is copied. For we know the excitation table 0 0 it is 0. For 0 0 it is 0. 0 1 it is 1. That's why Qn plus 1 is copied to D. For 0 cross it is cross. For 1 1 it is 1. For 1 0 it is 0. For 1 1 it is 1, and for 1 cross it is cross. So Qn plus 1 is copied to D. Now the K map is there. This is the K map construction of D. Then the logic diagram of SR from D. Logic diagram. This logic diagram is constructed from this K map, and this is the conversion process. Let us consider the example with the help of board. Okay. So now the conversion process of one flip-flop to another flip-flop. Before I am going to describe one conversion process, কিছু জিনিস আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে। কিরকম আমাদের কোথা থেকে ডিজাইন করছে সেটা আগে জানতে হবে। কোথা থেকে ডিজাইন মিন আমরা অলওয়েজ রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে রাখবো, আর কোথায় যাবে ডিজাইনটা সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা অলওয়েজ ফার্স্টে রাখবো, দ্যাট ইজ লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে রাখবো। তো দিস ইজ দ্য বেসিক কনসেপ্ট। দিস ওয়ান ইজ দ্য old flip-flop, and this one is the new flip-flop, new one to be designed. So this is the main concept through which we can follow the conversion process. এখান থেকে আমরা দেখতো যে কোনো কনভার্সন আমরা যখন করবো তখন আমাদের জানতে হবে কোথা থেকে ডিজাইন হচ্ছে এবং কোথায় পৌঁছাবে। যেখান থেকে ডিজাইন হচ্ছে সেটা রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে, এবং যেখানে গিয়ে ডিজাইন হবে সেটা আগে থাকবে। So in this way we can create whole process. Now the example, conversion of that is the SR to JK. From conversion of SR to JK, we can design SR to JK, JK to SR, D to D, D to SR to D. So we can design any flip-flop to any flip-flop. These are some examples so that all of you can understand better. SR to JK. So SR is the old flip-flop to JK, that is the new flip-flop. This is the basic diagram through which we can design the further table. This is the conversion table. This is the conversion table from SR to JK. This is the JK, as the JK is the left hand side, so we have to write the JK first, then Qn and Qn plus 1 is there, present state, next state, and finally the SR for excitation input. So this is the truth table. তো এখান থেকে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে ছবিটা যেভাবে এঁকেছিলাম, SR old, so SR টা রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে আছে, JK টা নিউ, JK টা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে, আর Qn plus 1 কলাম দুটো এর মাঝখানে JK টা অলওয়েজ রাইট লিখতে হবে। যেখানে যে ডিজাইন করবো সেটা এখানে যেটাতে ডিজাইন হবে সেটা মাঝখানে থাকবে। যেটা যদি এটা SR হতো তাহলে SR টা এখানে, JK টা ওখানে থাকবে। So these are the three main variables. So there are 8 combination, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. These are the total 8 row, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 4 0 4 1. So this is the input variable, it's Qn JK. Now the next state is the Qn plus 1 and the next state. How to obtain the next state? From the truth table. We know that for 0 0 it is no change, for 0 1 it is reset, for 1 0 it is set, for 1 1 it is toggle, when 0 is converted to 1. For 0 0 again it is no change, that is 1 is transferred to here. For 1 0 that is 1 1, that is for 1 0 that is for 1 0 it is that is 0 1, or 0 1 for 1 1 that is 0 is toggle, 0 it is no change, for 0 1 it is again 0, for 1 0 it is set, for 1 1 that is again toggle, means 0. So this is the Qn plus 1 column. Now we have to create the hexadecimal input of SR. We know the hexadecimal input of SR, that is Qn plus 1 and SR. So we know for 0 0 cross, for 0 1 it is 1 0, for 1 0 it is 0 1, and for 1 1 it is cross 0. So this is the excitation table for SR. Now to find the excitation we have to consider Qn and Qn plus 1. আমাদের Qn and Qn plus column দুটো দেখতে হবে। For 0 0 it is 0 cross, for 0 0 it is 0 cross, for 0 0 it is 0 cross, for 0 1 it is 1 0, for 0 1 it is 1 0, for 1 1 that is cross 0, for 1 0 that is 1 0 0 1, for 1 1 that is cross 0, for again 1 0 that is 0 1. So this is the excitation input. এই excitation inputটা আমাদের মুখস্থ রাখতে হবে, otherwise আমরা ডিজাইন করতে পারবো না। এবার আমরা আসবো K map. Now the K map, for we have to design two K map, one for S, another for R. Now the K map for S. Now this is the K map for S. There are 8 cells for 3 variable given bar given J bar, K bar, J bar, K, JK, and JK bar. This is the K-map construction. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. এবার দেখো এসআর এর কোথায় কোথায় 1 আছে, 2 তে 1 আছে, 2 তে 1 আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি, 3 তে 1, 2, 3 তে 1 পাচ্ছি, and 4 a cross, 4 a cross, that is 4 a cross and 6 a cross. So the these two one make a group, mean S equal to given bar into column wise p common আছে j, row wise given bar e common পাচ্ছি আর column wise j. So this is the k map for S. Now the k map for R. So this is the map for R. Now this is the given bar and given j bar, k bar, j bar, k, jk and jk bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the R, 0 is cross, 1 is cross, and the fifth is cross, fifth position is cross, 7 is, fifth is 1 actually, and 7 is 1. আমরা জানি অলওয়েজ 1 and cross গুলো গ্রুপ করা, এখানে দুটো 1 পেয়ার হচ্ছে আর বাকি গ্রুপ হচ্ছে না, তো এখানে আমরা পাচ্ছি R equal to given row wise given column, column wise k column common আছে, তো R equal to given k. So this is the logic diagram of this K for the S and for the R. This is the simplification K map and the equation is there. Now we have to design the logic diagram. This logic diagram is the conversion, final conversion. So there is a SR. So this one is the SR, and there is a clock. We know that SR consists of a clock input. These are the SR, and this is the given bar. So this is the construction of SR flip-flop. This is the old flip-flop, and we have to design the new one, that is JK. Now there is a J input is there. J equal to from the K map S equal to given bar J. From the K map S equal to given bar J. Given bar and J are supplied to the AND gate because there is a multiplication given bar J. এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি given bar টা টানলাম আর J টা নিলাম, D equal to S. So S টা আমি পেয়ে গেলাম, and R equal to given K, mean given থেকে নিলাম আর K একটা ইনপুট নিলাম, সেখানে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন নিলাম, সেটা পৌঁছালো আর এর কাছে. So in this way we can design JK flip-flop from SR. So we can easily design JK to SR. Similarly, we can design SR to JK also. So this is the basic concept of conversion. Now we can design JK to SR, JK to SR, conversion of JK to SR. Now SR is the JK from JK to SR, from JK to SR. So from JK we have to design SR from JK to SR. So the table conversion table will be this SR. This is the given and given plus 1. This is the basic concept. এইভাবে আমরা যে কোনো কনভার্সন আমরা করতে পারবো। আমরা যদি এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল আর ট্রুথ টেবিল গুলো মনে রাখতে পারি ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপে, তো আমরা যে কোনো ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপ থেকে যে কোনো ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপ আমরা ইজিলি ডিজাইন করতে পারবো। তো আমি এরকম কয়েকটা এক্সাম্পল দেখাচ্ছি যাতে ফার্দার তোমরা যে কোনো কনভার্সন ক্যালকুলেশন করতে পারো। So this is the JK excitation input J and K, and this is the, there are 8 row, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then finally 7. For 1, 1 that is invalid cross. For 0, 0 it is no change. For 0, 1 it is 0. For 1, 0 it is 1, and for 1, 1 it is cross. Now we have to know the excitation input of JK. The excitation input of JK, excitation input of JK, given for given plus 1 J and K. 0, 0 we know that 0 cross. For 0, 1 it is 1, that is 1 cross. For 1, 0 that is cross 1. For 1, 1 that is cross 0. We have to remember this excitation table. Now apply this one. 0, 0 we know 0, 0, 0 cross. For 0, 0 again 0 cross. For 0, 1 it is 1 cross. For 1, 0, if one of them input is in the present 0, next it is cross, cross, cross. As 0 is cross, all are cross, cross. For 1, 1 it is cross 0. For 1 0, that is equal to 1 cross. For 1 0, that is 1 0 cross 1, that is equal to cross 1. For 1 0, that is equal to cross 1. And for 1 1, that is equal to cross 0. And for 1 cross, that is equal to cross cross. So this is the excitation input. Now we have to design the K map for J and K. So first of all, K map for J. K map for J. So there are three variables. So there are 8 cell given bar given S bar R bar S bar R SR and S R bar 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Positions are the one is two positions, three is cross, four is cross, fifth position is cross, six cross, seven cross. So this is the grouping. And J is chartable grouping করা আছে because as এখানে one আছে, chartable no common is there, only common is J equal to S. And the K map for R, K map for K. And again we have to construct the K map for three variables given bar given, and there is S bar R bar, S bar R, SR and SR bar 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And the inputs are 0 is cross, 1 is cross, 2 is cross, 3 is cross, and fifth one is 1, seventh one is, and the grouping is to common R, K equal to R. So in this way we can find out the Boolean expression for J and one for K through the K map. Now the finally the logic diagram of conversion process. So this is the JK is the old flip-flop, that is the QN bar. These are the output, QN bar is the output, and there is a clock. And J is connected to S, J equal to S, so there is S input which is directly connected to J, and K equal to R, so there is R input which is connected to K. So in this way you can design, JK to SR. So in this way you can design JK to SR. All other flip-flop can be easily designed. We have to know the truth table and the excitation input of that flip-flop. So this is the conversion process of the flip-flop. This is the final video of flip-flop topics. In the next video, I will discuss the counter topics and then registers and so on. Thank you for watching this video.